And yep. Reinforced chassis and optimized weight with a ground clearance of 203 millimeters enables great handling and maneuverability, making the Renault Kiger fun to drive. Renault Kiger inaugurates a brand new turbo engine. With improved torque, higher power and lower fuel consumption, this turbo engine ticks all the boxes. Your customer will finally be able to enjoy that exciting drive promise all by himself. With 100 PS of power, the turbo technology really provides top-class performance to the Renault Kiger. With 160 Newton meters of torque, this engine also gives you instant response even at low RPM and excellent pickup. Why? Because of the torque to weight ratio, best in segment of 158.1 Newton meter per ton. Higher the value, the more torque availability required for pickup considering the vehicle load. Interesting is the fuel efficiency return, which is 20 kilometers per liter for manual transmission. For improved fuel efficiency, you can trust the gear shift indicator, which will help you get the best from the engine. As a result, you will be shifting up and down at an optimum RPM range. The CVT provides smooth and stepless ratio changes without losing time on downshifting. Because it's a variable gearbox, you're almost always exactly where you need to be, making it the best gearbox on bumper-to-bumper drive, perfect for city drive. The CVT has a fuel efficiency of 18.75 km per liter. Aside, the Renault Kiger is also available in the Energy engine. Do you know yet that the Energy engine is successful and it's used in the Clio and Sandero models internationally? The Energy engine has a fuel efficiency of 19.17 km per liter in the manual transmission and 19.03 km per liter in the EasyR AMT. As a perfect everyday SUV, Renault Kiger takes care of you and your family. Renault Kiger comes with ABS and EBD. You can trust the brakes and stop the car with confidence. Renault Kiger also comes with 2 front and side airbags as a part of its passive safety equipment package. Now, let's glance behind the steering wheel. Renault Kiger's advanced instrument cluster. Now this is the biggest in the segment with a 7-inch multi-skins drive mode cluster display. As you can see, it provides a crystal clear visual communication. You can navigate it through the steering wheel mounted buttons right here. The display in this cluster depends upon the multi-sense driving mode you've chosen. Since the beginning of the drive, we've been using the normal mode, which is the default mode, which provides the best balance between power and fuel efficiency. Speed, clock and fuel consumption are on display. Now let's continue this drive on the Eco mode. As you can see, the main cluster color has switched to green. Also, the widgets have changed. Now the Eco score, efficiency and fuel consumption are visible. The engine response is smoother to help you reduce your fuel consumption. A little bit slower but more economical. The other mode is the sports mode, for when you're in a sporty mood. As you can see, the cluster turning into a red ambience with engine speed, instantaneous speed and the power widgets appearing. This mode increases the engine's responsiveness to provide you with the ultimate driving pleasure. In short, Renault Kiger has a driving mode for all your different moods. Let's talk about the efficiency of the climate control. Renault Kiger has been specifically designed and specifically tuned for Indian weather conditions. It offers better air circulation and a quicker cooling of the cabin. The automatic AC are backlit for better visibility and ease of controlling, and 2.5 pm clean air filter that is safer due to the arresting of fine atmospheric particulate, ensuring we always breathe clean air. To make parking easier, the Renault Kiger offers 2 key features. The rear view camera gives you a real-time sight on what's behind you while reversing, and the parking sensors will warn you if you come close to an obstacle. Do you still think it's possible to scratch a bumper with that? I will now engage the handbrake and hand you back to the trainer.
So, dear participants, how was the video? I guess நான் நம்புறேன் உங்களுக்கு